Hi guys, and welcome to this video on PLC. In this video we will be learning two main types of PLC. So let's begin. Before explaining the types of PLC, let me explain first what is PLC. A PLC or programmable logic controller is a specialized industrial computer which is used to automate processes in manufacturing plants and assembly lines. PLC is replacing manual control systems in industries with automated, efficient, and more reliable solutions. PLC has two common types, modular PLCs and compact PLCs. Now let's discuss the modular PLCs first. As you can see on the bottom right corner of the screen, a modular PLC consists of separate and interchangeable modules which allows them for high customization and expandability. The key component of a modular PLC are CPU, power supply module, input-output module, and communication modules. The modular PLCs are suitable for large-scale industrial applications, for example, automotive, chemical, and process industries. Now let's discuss some of the advantages of the modular PLCs. The first one is scalability, which means that we can include more input and output modules as per our requirement. The second advantage is easy troubleshooting. For example, if one module is failed in the PLC, we only have to replace that specific module and not the entire system. The third advantage of the modular PLCs is that it supports complex automation, which means that it can handle thousands of input and output points and advanced logic. Now let's discuss some of the disadvantages of the modular PLCs. It has high cost as compared to the compact PLCs, and it has larger physical area which require more space and wiring. And now let's discuss the second type of the PLC, which is called as compact PLC. A compact PLC is all in one unit where the CPU, power supply, and input-output module are built into a single device, which means that we cannot add extra input-output modules in this type of PLC. Although they are limited, but they are cost-effective as well, and they are suitable for small to medium scale automation. They are used in packaging, conveyor systems, and HVAC control. Now let's discuss some of the advantages of compact PLC. The first one is lower cost. Compact PLCs are cheaper than modular PLCs, making them great for small projects. 2. It takes less space. Since everything is built into one unit, it fits in small areas easily. And the third advantage is easy to use. Just plug it in, connect the wires, and it's ready. No need for extra setup. The advantages are great, but there are some limitations as well. The biggest limitation is not expandable. You cannot add more inputs or outputs later. If you need more, you might have to buy a new PLC. And that's why it offers less flexibility as compared to the modular PLCs. So the conclusion is, if we have to manage large scale or complex applications, we have to go with the modular PLC, whereas the compact PLCs are ideal for smaller and cost effective projects. And that's all on this video guys on types of PLC. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.